What's up YouTube, it's Yassy, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your press-on nails last. Now these are the steps that we are going to be following, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we are going to be starting off with clean hands. Make sure you wash your hands with soap and water. And next we are going to be clipping our nails short to give the press-on nails a better look. Alright, now that that's done, our next step is to file our nails. So I like using this multi-nail care. So we are just going to file the nail to give the nail some texture. Next, we're going to be using rubbing alcohol to wipe the nails off because we want to make sure that we get rid of the excess oil that could be on our fingers. We definitely want to push our cuticles back. Now I know it appears silly to be using a bobby pin to push our cuticles back. I mean, we don't have a cuticle pusher. Use what you got. Okay, so now it is time for us to use our press-on nails. So these nails were $4.99 at the beauty supply, and I just had to have them. These nails are a maroon color, and I love the fact that they are coffin shaped. Now I could have easily spent over $50 at the nail salon with a full set like this, but guess what, baby? Instead of spending $50, we spent $5. That's right, $4.99 plus tax, honey. Okay, so now that we got this open, it is time to do the sizing. So as you can see, this appears to be my right size, so let's separate them and put them out so that way we can have them ready to put on. Okay, so we are all done choosing our sizes. Now it is time to glue them on. The package does come with its own glue, but we don't use that, boo. So this is the glue we use, the Kiss Maximum Speed Glue. So I just like to take the glue and I like to apply it all over my fingernail and kind of spread it out. And I like to apply the nail straight. Now make sure it's straight, because at one point I did apply a nail and it was crooked and I couldn't take it off because that glue dries fast now. So I like to take it and hold it for at least 30 seconds. applying my thumb, I'm starting to notice that it doesn't really fit like I thought it would. It's definitely too wide. So as you can see, I did try to take it off, but like I said, this is a fast drying glue. So I had no other option but to file it down. So that's what I did. I filed it. I didn't mess up the shape at all. I just modified it to fit my nail. There you have it, fixed. Now isn't that pretty? This is cute AF. Okay, so now it is time to do the other hand. Wow, we are basically done, guys. Except now we have to put on some cuticle oil. So I don't own any cuticle oil. I just have primer oil, so that's what I'm using to replace the cuticle oil to oil my cuticles. Whatever works, right? So I'm just rubbing that on every finger individually, and I'm doing the same to the other hand. And what's a good full set without some lotion? I love using the Tree Hut Shea Moisturizing Lotion. It is my all-time favorite and it smelled so good. So I'm just taking a little bit of this and applying to both of my hands, getting them nice and moisturized. And we are all done. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely make sure you ring that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Bye bye now. Peace. See you in my next video.